Alright guys, I have a very special video to show you today because I finally got the call from my AD and I want you to tag along for the experience. So when I walked in, I was offered chocolates and sparkling water. They also had ice water, but I chose the sparkling. I just looked at a few watches while I waited for mine to be ready in the back. They had a few different models on exhibition, but there wasn't really anything that caught my eye. I was just thinking about this watch specifically, which, as you'll see today, is super, super stunning. You probably saw from the thumbnail which watch this is specifically, but once you really see this in different lighting and different angles, you'll really get to appreciate it for what it is. Now, this unboxing experience is something that I wanted other people to see because a lot of folks don't get the chance to see it in this sort of lighting or this kind of way because this isn't the most popular configuration. This is the Rolex OP36 with the silver dial. Now, the one that I have has the yellow gold hour markers and hands on it. The way that the dial is brushed really accentuates the way that the light is kind of reflecting off of it, if that makes any sense, as well as the way that the links are brushed. It's kind of the same way. It's polished on the sides right here, and the bezel is also polished. And on the inside of the box, you can see this is how they package the links. Let's say like you get a link taken out like I did, they'll put it in a little plastic bag for you. And they also take off all the tags and stickers. This is the green Rolex stamp that people are really familiar with. There's also this little compartment here where I don't know if it's magnetic or not, but this is where your warranty booklet is, as well as your actual warranty card that has the date that you bought it and your watch's serial number. And I do have this part a little bit blurred out because it's better not to show your serial number. On the side here, you can see this is a Datejust that I tried on. This is the Wimbledon. I really did like it. You can kind of see the differences between that watch and this one as far as like the finish goes. Now in the middle here on the actual clasp, it's really polished. You see the stamp, the Rolex stamp there. And here's the watch in a couple different lightings. So this is it on my wrist at home here, just sort of natural lighting. Every room, the watch looked different. I mean, you could see it here. This is a loom shot. I'm sure you guys are looking for that, right? The watch is just spectacular. You can wear it with anything. You could wear it dressing up, dressing down. It really doesn't matter. It just depends on what you want to put on. One thing I really, really like about this watch and sort of the new clasp that Rolex has is there's kind of a little duckbill. Like that's the way that it's secured. I don't know another way to describe this clasp, but it's really secure. Kind of snaps on, and it has its own identity to it. I wish I knew the specific name for it, but I really like the way the 36 millimeter fits my wrist. I have about a 6.7-inch wrist, so it's not the biggest wrist, and I didn't want to go with anything too big that would look ridiculous. I just wanted something nice and classy, small, that I could wear with pretty much anything. Now, as you see here, so there is a sapphire crystal on this watch, which is great. I don't know if I showed it already, but the crown is also stamped. You could probably see that online somewhere with the, I guess you would call it, is it embossed, the embossed logo on the actual bracelet itself, which is pretty cool. One thing that I did notice about this watch is whenever you turn this crown down, there is an easy adjustment, like a quick link here. So if it is a hot day, you can actually pop that out and it gives yourself, I think it's 5 millimeters of room, a little bit extra, so that you don't have to like worry about your watch suffocating your wrist, which I think is really awesome for these hot summer days. I just can't get enough of the way that this watch looks. I am one of those people that like when I see something, I really want to watch every YouTube video in the world about it, and I want to see it. I want to see the unboxing, all that. And I think this watch definitely lived up to the expectations that I had. So, thank you guys for watching. And if you liked the video, leave a like on the video. And until next time, peace.